Okay, all the pathogens neutralized. So we can get on with opening these packages. Of course, there was a joke with a freezer. The package went through half of the world in low temperatures. Nevertheless, it's a pretty common practice nowadays that the packages are irradiated before being shipped out. So there are no bugs in the packages and they just simply don't walk out of the containers by themselves. That's why buying seeds from China is probably not worthwhile, because you get a package of 50 seeds and maybe 2-3 will sprout. That's because the packages are often irradiated. But let's take a look what's inside. Okay, a long-awaited metal detector. It was really cheap, but as you can see, it's one of those do-it-yourself kits. 3 transistors. So I guess one will serve as an amplifier. The others are an oscillator. One potentiometer with regulation, so probably to get the circuit in resonance. When I find some time, I'll assemble this. Should be a fun project. Probably just for finding wires in the wall. Nevertheless, really inexpensive. If you want one like this, you'll find the link below in the comments. Long-awaited clips for charging the Mi Band 4. Normally, you have something like this, but then you have to pop this out of a band, and the band stretches, and pretty soon it'll probably fall apart. With this, you just clip it on, and you can charge it like that. Exactly like so. So it works perfectly. And last but not least, 2 sulfur soaps. Hygiene is really important. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon.